Okay. Now I know I'm using a logical fallacy here by saying that, well, you should listen to me about moderators because I am a scientist. I am also going to contradict that fallacy by telling everyone that Stephen Hawking is fucking retarded. I have not done this video yet, and I've wanted to for a long time. And I just, every 5 minutes, I see a new article about Stephen Hawking that just makes me cringe. And I can't hold back any longer. Now, because I know a lot of people in the physics community, it's not in my best interest to basically tell Stephen Hawking to go die. But, it has to be said. And just because he is like a character in a science fiction novel, crippled, smart, and talks like a robot, does not necessitate that he knows what he's talking about. And we can see this in his theories on black holes, or lack thereof. Stephen Hawking has always had an obsession with black holes. They are an anomaly. They, contradict what we know to be true about physics. We at first thought black holes were just a theoretical thing, that, we couldn't prove black holes existed. Then we saw an actual black hole. Then we saw other black holes. Now we believe that there might be a black hole at the center of every galaxy. Obviously they're there. Obviously they're there for a reason. However, now Stephen Hawking is claiming that there are no black holes because of new evidence of how they might work. Well, just because it might work differently than you first thought does not mean they're not there. That's like weather. Weather can change, but it's still fucking there. The clouds are still there, the rain is still there, the snow's still there, the wind is still there. It just might work differently than you first predicted. That is in essence what black holes are. Black holes might function differently, but they're still fucking black holes. And the whole reason why now he's saying that there are no black holes is because of the contradiction of the event horizon. This idea that the black hole is infinitely dense in gravity, so when you reach the event horizon, all information is trapped in the black hole. There is no escaping the black hole. And because there is no escaping the black hole, everything just sucked in there to just be lie there eternally. But black holes dissipate supposedly. Because of the radiation that it gives off, because of the vibration, they believe that over time black holes are also subject to entropy and just fade out. But if they fade out, then that implies that there is a loss of information, that there is some sort of destruction of matter, down to the most basic level. This contradicts our idea of physics. This means either we'll have to accept that eventually even the data is gone, even the most basic, minuscule microorganism, just phases out eventually, or this means that the black hole simply isn't the event horizon. There might be a way out of a black hole, even though it is incredibly dense and an incredible force of gravity. That could very well be. It might not be probable that we could build some kind of ship that could escape a black hole, but the idea is that there might be possible ways out of a black hole. White holes, for example. And Stephen Hawking doesn't want to give these things consideration. He just wants to say, well, fuck it, there must not be black holes then. That's the most lazy, contradictive, and stupid thing he has ever said. And why people suck his limp, crippled dick over it, I don't know. I know he is well known in the physics community, but if he's wrong, he's wrong. And Stephen Hawking is extraordinarily wrong about this. And I'm not saying that I know everything about black holes. That's why we have the scientific method, to understand black holes, to understand everything. But what I am saying is you can't just simply write something off because it contradicted your earlier works or it contradicted what you thought to be true. That's the problem with religious people. And Stephen Hawking criticizes religious people all the time, but yet you're acting just like them. So Stephen Hawking has let the fame go to his head. Because the fact that he's an ugly crippled dude that somehow still manages to get all this grandeur and respect, now he suddenly thinks that his word is infallible. And it's not. Fuck you, Stephen Hawking. That's it.